What are you doing? Hey, get off of there. You're going to fall. Get down. Get down. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. What are you doing? Where's Daddy? Go get Daddy.
St. John Health is the only health system in Michigan with 3 cardiac centers of excellence. St. John Health, a passion for healing hearts.
It's here. Are you ready? Now with 3 times
Woohoo!
and still your best odds at $1 million.
What do you got there?
Michigan Lottery's all new.
What is that?
Ever.
What's on your head?
1,000 people will win, including 12
Helmet?
$1,000 prizes. And 6
Say helmet?
will win $1 million. More excitement, more prizes, more winners.
Vroom.
Countdown is on.
Say rocket. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.